Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had already recorded this video previously, but I don't know what happened to the footage. I know I recorded it on my camera and not on my phone, but I can't find it anywhere. So I'm gonna show y'all everything, and then I'm gonna do a little little stamping or whatever, design on this hand. So Maniology reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review a few of their products, and of course I said yes. So this is what they sent me. This is the first little package. And in here you get 3 things. And these are the 3 colors you get. This one right here, and it's a pretty teal color. And then you get, I got this one, and it's a pretty pink, and it's a pretty blue color. Well, this is a blue, a teal, and a pink. And then I also got a white one, and you can see it's already dirty because I did use it. And this one is called That B170. And then this one, this is a pretty color. Also sent me this right here, and this is for when you want to pick up the cotton and then you just like clean it off. So you clean off whatever one. And then they sent me this angle brush, and it is 105, and it says Maniology on it. It's so pretty. I like the way it looks. I also got these 2. It's a sticky base coat and a smudge-free top coat. These 2 plates, it was like a bundle or whatever. The same. Yeah, they're the exact same plates. They're the exact same thing. So I want to give those away. The 2 that are not used in these little packages, I want to give these away, because why do I want 2 of the same? They are the exact same thing. Right? Yeah, they are. So these 2 will be given away. So in this video, just comment a little heart or whatever, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. With a scraper, but I already used everything and I put it away. But here's the stamper. It's a little rectangle one.